morning, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Afro Scientific Spirituality. My name is Efe West, reaching you live and direct from the heart of Africa. If this is your first time on this channel, you are highly welcome. This is a place where we separate the facts from the fiction, the science from the superstition, and the concept from the misconceptions about African spirituality. Today, I'll be talking about two regular, everyday substance that you can use for lucid dreaming. And these are the substance of mugwort and nutmeg. The vegetable mugwort and nutmeg, which is a spice I believe can be found in every country in the world. So if you are having difficulty looking for natural remedies or solutions to help you with lucid dreaming, I believe you can be able to get your hands on any of these two substances, and you can also try them, and I believe it will help you. People have been using them for thousands of years all over the world for lucid dreaming and other physical remedies. So I want to talk about them today so that people can be able to start using them before you can try other substance or herbs that may be a bit far away from you. So the first one I want to talk about is a mugwort. Mugwort is a very, very popular vegetable that been used for lucid dreaming for thousands of years in many cultures in Africa, India, Latin America. The botanical name is Artemisa Vulgaris. Artemisa Vulgaris. I don't really know how to pronounce these Latin words, so please pardon my mistakes. I always butcher them, and I know that I butcher them regularly. I don't know how to pronounce them, but I need to be saying something and also be spelling it out so people can easily get access to them, so they cannot mistake it with another herb. Okay, so you can Google it and check it out. I believe it's very popular. The name, according to the etymology of the word, also means dream plants, meaning it is the plant for dreaming. And they say that it contains an active ingredient called trujon, that the main ingredient responsible for the main enzymes inside responsible for the dream is called trujon, and this is the particular enzyme or compound that is extracted to make the popular drink that people call absinthe, that absinthe alcoholic beverage that many people like to drink in the club. This is the very active ingredient that is used to produce that very drink. So when you're drinking absinthe, just know that mugwort is inside, and you are going to be having some dreams that night as well. So the plant is very useful for dreaming. It has been proven to work very well for lucid dreaming, and people have been using it, and it is very easy to obtain. You can get it at any vegetable market in the world. I have seen it in many places. It is also here. I use it to cook sometimes as well. And the way people use it is like they get the leaf, they can either boil the leaf, put it in hot water the way you make a cup of tea, then you drink it before going to bed. Some people chew the leaf. Some people still use it to cook soup, to cook food to eat, just the way you eat normal vegetable soup in Africa. We eat a lot of vegetables in Africa like that. Then some people also smoke the leaf once again. They dry it up and they smoke it before going to bed, and then they'll get active dream. It is very effective and have been proven to work very, very much in this regard. It helps to relax the nerves, relax the body, put you in a very good mood, And according to science, once again, it is very good for the liver. So it helps to treat the liver of any disease that is there. So it's a very good plant to consume, if not for lucid dreaming, for other things in the body. Very good vegetable. Then there's also a disadvantage that it is not so good for pregnant women, that they don't advise pregnant women to take it, because they say that it helps to relax the body and also relax the uterus and the reproductive system, so it may not be good for the baby. So they don't advise this plant for pregnant women. Okay, apart from that, any other person can take this plant. Children, adults, and the likes can use it, and women that are not pregnant. So it's a very good plant, and I want you guys to check it out and tell me what you think about it. Okay, then the other element is a nutmeg. This is a very popular spice we have in every kitchen. I believe that everybody can get their hands on this one. It's a very good spice that we used to cook in Africa. We used to cook jollof rice and fried rice. Scents very fine, and people can also use it for lucid dreaming. But the effects are not so strong, but it also works, but does not have this most powerful, effective effects. Then some people also complain of allergic reaction to it. I don't know why some people complain, but I never have an allergic reaction to nutmeg. Something that I have always loved. So the botanical name, once again, is Myristica Fragens. Myristica Fragens. That is the botanical name for the nutmeg. And according to scientists, it contains the compound called trimestrin, which they say it induces melatonin, and also have many therapeutic benefits for the body. So it is something that induces relaxed states for the human body and the mind. And this is the active ingredients in the nutmeg that enable people to relax and also to dream, to remember their dreams. So it is something that it is very good for the body. It has other medical properties as well. The way people use it is that they grind the nutmeg into powder, and then they use this powder, put like a teaspoon in water, and mix it with other herbs like thyme or a little bit of Lipton, and then they drink it just like that. Some people also smoke the herb as well. They mix it with tobacco or they mix it with something else. I learned that people smoke nutmeg in India. Some people also burn it. They sort of roast this herb. They put it in a spoon and they put the spoon on top of a flame, and then they roast the herb. Then they inhale these fumes from the nutmeg, and it kind of gets them high a little bit, and it induces the smell of, it induces the, or it releases the therapeutic benefits into them, so that they can go to sleep and remember their dreams. So they put the nutmeg on a spoon, and then they put the spoon in the fire, and then they inhale the fumes from the burning nutmeg. This is how they can extract that enzyme from the plant, or they can use it to grind it. They grind it into powder, and then they use the powder to make a tea. Then they drink that tea. So that is the way the nutmeg is used to induce the sleep. Then sometimes they also smoke it too. So this is how they use the nutmeg. So it's a very good herb, and it is something that many people have access to. I believe it's almost you can find it in almost every kitchen in the world, and it's something that you guys can try if you want to dream better, you want to increase your dream memory retention, you want to remember your dreams. This is the kind of things that you should try, and it's very easy to get your hands on. So I want you to try to Google it, find as much information about it. There are so many information about it online. You can check it out. Then you can also use it to help your dream life, which is also very important integral aspect of your spiritual practice. It is very good to remember your dreams and to be active in your dreams, to be in control of your dreams. So it's very necessary that we try to enhance this aspect or awaken this aspect of our humanity so that we can be able to have greater control of our life and our future. So this is why I am talking about these plants. I believe they are very good, and they are of immense benefits to humans, and we really need them. So please try to get your hands on one or two of these plants and check it out and know how it works. And I will be very happy to know your feedback and share your ideas and comments. So this is what I have for you today. Questions or comments are welcome. Please like and share this video. So hit the subscribe button so that you'll be the first to get my videos when I release them, and subscribe to the channel, support the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care and bye.